Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw an alien dragon. Here you can see that I'm using my blue color pen to draw the alien dragon. Here's its big eyes. The dragon need to look horrible, so I will try my best to make it horrific. Here's some blue bubbles. Let's draw its big mouth. Dragon should have big wings, so let's draw its wings. Oh, let's complete its body. Here's its hands. It's looking a little funny to me. Let's draw another wing. Let's color inside its wing with blue. For the other one, I'm using my black marker. Let's complete the wing with blue color. I'm using black color inside its eyes. Now let's draw horrible teeth of the dragon. I'm using my pencil a bit. Let's draw some red bubbles in its body. Now I'm doing the coloring with my cyan highlighter pen. Now I'm coloring all over its body with my cyan highlighter pen. Oh wow, my drawing is done. Thank you so much for watching.